Hello, children. Hope so. You all are keeping safe at home. We were going through chapter 2, My Body, in which we have studied about different internal organs and external organs along with our sense organs, and we have also studied how we can keep ourselves clean and fit. Here, some good habits are there which we should follow to stay fit. Like we should take bath every day, wash our hands before and after meals, cut our nails every week, play outdoor games, take proper rest, do not watch television for a long time, and we should eat healthy food and drink a lot of water. So now children, let's move to our next topic. Did you know? So remember the golden rules. Do not use someone else's comb, towel or toothbrush. Leave the toilet clean after use. Leave the bathroom clean after taking a bath. So these are the golden rules which you should follow, that you should not use any other person's comb or towel or toothbrush, and even soap also. You should use your own soap, and we should clean the toilet after every use. Okay, these are the things which we should follow to keep neatness. Now summing up, let us go through the recap of the chapter. The parts of our body that can be seen from outside are called external organs. So parts of the body which we can see from outside, they are external organs. Now the parts of our body that are inside the body are called internal organs. The brain, heart, lungs and stomach are some internal organs, and eyes, ears, skin, the nose and the tongue are our sense organs. We should follow some good habits to remain fit and healthy. So children, this much, and after that now we will start our exercises. But before that, we will first of all write hard words. Okay. So this you will write in your EVS copy. Give the heading, my body, give date, and then start writing. Number 1, ORGANS, organs. Number 2, EXTERNAL, external. Number 3, INTERNAL, internal. Number 4, BRAIN, brain. HEART, heart. LUNGS, lungs. KIDNEY, kidney. STOMACH, stomach. CHEST, chest. BREATHE, breathe. ENERGY, energy. TONGUE, tongue. SMELL, smell. TASTE, taste. So children, these spellings you will write 2 times and you will learn them up. Okay. Now let's move to our exercise. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. We breathe with the help of our dash. So children, which organ we use to breathe? Yes, it's our nose. Now number 2. The dash helps us to digest the food we eat. We have studied that stomach helps to digest the food we have eaten. Now number 3, the brain is located in the dash. Where is the brain? Yes, it's in our head. So we can write the brain is located in the head. Now number 4, dash and dash are our sense organs. Children, we have studied about 5 sense organs. You can write any 2. I am writing eyes and nose. Okay, you can write any 2. You can write ears also. You can write tongue also. No issue. Now number 5. The dash pumps blood and sends it to all parts of the body. So children, what pumps blood? Yes, it is heart. Our heart pumps blood two different parts of the body. Okay, so you will complete this exercise in your book. Now exercise B, write yes or no. Number 1, external organs can be seen. So children, can we see the external organs? Yes, external organs are our hands, legs. Okay, so we can see. Yes, the correct answer is yes. Number 2, we get energy from the food we eat. Yes, we get energy from the food we eat. So it is correct. Yes. Number 3, the skin helps us to breathe. So now our skin, does it helps to breathe? No, our nose helps us to breathe. So it's no. Now number 4, the brain is inside the stomach. So where is your brain located? It is inside the head. And here it's written inside the stomach. Is it correct? No. So what we will do? We will write no. Now number 5, we smell with our nose. Yes, we smell with our nose. It's correct. So what we will write? Yes. So children, do this exercise in your book and then write the same in your copy also, and write hard words in your copy and learn it properly. Learn everything nicely, and we will continue our question answers in our next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.